In this video, we will talk about building up your profile and credibility before approaching JVs. The key to winning the JV game is visibility. The more visible you are, the bigger your business will grow. Frank Kern has made a name for himself as the legend of internet marketing. He knows how to brand himself. If you want to build visibility, you have to be Frank Kern of your niche. Example, PLR, traffic building, WordPress, plugin, etc. One of the fastest ways to build credibility is to win affiliate contests. If you can get on the top 3 of any contest, other marketers will take notice of you. As soon as you win a contest, save the image of your victory and that will be your trophy. Do not be shy about it. Make sure you post it on Facebook, where your internet marketing friends can see it. Marketers approve junkies as well. They will only promote you when you make tons of sales for them. In order to improve your credibility as a product creator, make sure your product gets onto the top ranking positions in marketplaces, such as JVZoo's Product of the Year or Wire Forum's WSO of the Day. Once again, do not be shy about this. Let the world know how well your product is doing so you can gain credibility not only as an affiliate but as a product creator as well. In the next video, we will talk about where to find potential JV partners.